Welcome back. Corinza is joining us again for our dessert segment of our Koam morning show feast. And we have two, I'm so excited to try these. Okay, so what did you bring this morning?
I brought a Reese's pie actually, so there we go. It's a Reese's pie.
Looks delicious. And I brought a pumpkin butterscotch cake. Do you want to talk about yours first real quick?
Sure. So basically, my Reese's pie here, it is a cream cheese based pie. You put peanut butter and cream cheese and sugar in a bowl, and then mix it together with your mixer. And so I cheated on my pie a little bit. Not gonna lie, the recipe called for heavy whipping cream. I used whipped cream. It turned out fine. So I cheated. You know, it's gonna be a little lazy.
It's all right.
And then you mix in a cup, like a cup of crushed Oreos. I broke up my hand and eyed it just because you never can have too many Reese's. And then I put a little bit of hot fudge sauce on the bottom of my pie, like it started, and then I put it in together and let it sit in the fridge overnight. And that is what my pie looked like, because it does not look like that right now. This is what it looked like this morning, actually.
It looks pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can tell how it's set up. If we cut a piece out of it, you can cut how it's actually set up in there.
Yeah. So the whipped cream kind of fell down in comparison this morning, so I wanted to do a before and after.
Yeah, we had to put it in our fridge. And there's a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so I made a pumpkin butterscotch cake. It starts off with a box of white cake mix. You need 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling. So you're gonna mix all of those together in a large mixing bowl, and then you're gonna put that in the bottom of your cake pan. And the next step is to, in another mixing bowl, do 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 cup of powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, and a half a stick of butter melted, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of butterscotch chips. We went a little heavy on the butterscotch this morning, we chose to. And then you put that, you dollop those on top, and then let it, it just kind of blends into it. It's gonna give it like more of a runnier texture than your traditional cake. Good. But we each got forks, and we're gonna try each other's desserts, because why not have dessert before you eat your turkey?
Exactly.
Because we can.
Yeah. That's good.
Yummy.
Very good.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, it's a little heavy on chocolate, and it's a little sweet. But
no, it's good. I taste the peanut butter taste to it, so really good.
Yeah, I taste that butterscotch. Oh, that is fantastic, Tanya.
Okay, and later this morning, we'll have these recipes on our website at koamnewsnow.com. We still have a green bean casserole that we're you cannot have a Thanksgiving dinner without the green bean casserole.
That's my favorite
Don't
dish,
worry, we
hands
haven't
down.
forgot it, and it's coming up in just a few segments. We'll be right back.